Alright. Alright. We got CN X394 coming down the line. With CN 3290, and we have a Norfolk Southern unit. Yeah, we have a Norfolk Southern SD70 Ace number 1063. Norfolk Southern unit. All right. And yep, this is X394. The X394 originates from the Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana. The Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana heads east to the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, where it terminates. All on this Thursday, March 20th, 2025. Denton, the London Rail fan on YouTube. Today is the first day of spring, and there's flurries of snow coming down. No DPU on X394 today. There's the end of CN X394 over there. Off it goes to McMillan Yard. right, we got a CN westbound coming down the line with 89 11 27 21 and 26 28. '89 11 had a different sounding bell. Symbol on this train is CN M397. The M397 originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario. It originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, heads west to the Kirk Yard in Gary, Indiana, where it terminates. This is definitely 397 right here because of the gondolas it has right there with the lids on top. We got some empty spine flatbeds, I believe. Rare to see these little baby things. Yeah, those are spine cars right there. Which get used for hauling containers. And there's the end of CN M397 way over there. Off it goes to the Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana.